Packing a travel essentials kit can make all the difference. A small pouch with earplugs, an eye mask, charging cables, lip balm, and hand sanitizer fits perfectly in a personal bag for easy access during the flight. Choosing the right seat enhances the flying experience. Opt for a window seat if sleep is the goal, or select a seat closer to the front for quicker boarding and deplaning. Checking seat maps online before making a selection ensures the best choice. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in dry airplane cabins. Drinking water before and during the flight helps maintain hydration. Bringing an empty bottle through security and filling it up at the gate saves money and keeps hydration on track. Dressing in layers is a smart move. Airplane cabins can fluctuate in temperature, so wearing comfortable, loose-fitting clothes is key. Adding a light jacket or scarf provides the flexibility to adjust to changing conditions. Downloading entertainment ahead of time is a game changer. Since flights often lack free Wi-Fi or have slow connections, downloading movies, shows, podcasts, or ebooks before boarding ensures entertainment is ready offline. Moving and stretching during the flight is essential for comfort. Every couple of hours, taking a moment to stretch legs and do simple exercises like ankle circles improves circulation and reduces stiffness. Bringing healthy snacks is a smart choice. Plain food can be salty and pricey, so packing nutritious snacks like nuts, dried fruit, or protein bars keeps hunger at bay and energy levels up. Using noise-canceling headphones transforms the flying experience. They block out crying babies and engine noise, allowing for relaxation or sleep without distractions. Sanitizing surfaces is a must for peace of mind. Tray tables, armrests, and seatbelt buckles are touched by many hands. Bringing a small pack of disinfectant wipes to quickly clean the area upon sitting down adds an extra layer of comfort. Setting the watch to destination time is a clever strategy. Adjusting to the new time zone as soon as boarding begins helps reduce jet lag, especially on long-haul flights. With these tips, flying can be a more enjoyable experience. Being prepared and comfortable makes all the difference in travel. Happy flying!